friends, I am going to show you how you can propagate basil. And what propagating means is just simply growing a new plant from an existing one. So, and this is real easy. You can do this and have an abundant, endless supply of basil. That's what I'm doing this with, sweet basil. So, I just take and cut the bottom. And when you trim it off your plant, you'll see it always grows in twos. It grows in twos. See, 2 leaves, 2 leaves, 2 leaves. It always grows in twos. So wherever you cut this, like if I was to cut that here, oh, you can't even see it. If I was to cut that here down at this little joint, it would grow more sets of leaves. So, but I cut it down farther to give myself a longer stem to the next set of leaves so that those will bush out. And it also helps it to, you know, get bushy instead of tall and lanky. And then you'll get a lot of nice leaves on there. And you just put them in water. See, that's all I do. And you make sure there's no leaves on the bottom, just bare stems, and then you just put them in water like so. And they will grow some beautiful plants. And in about 10 days, you're going to have some nice roots starting on these stems, and then you'll be able to plant them. And it works beautifully. So I just put these in the water here. Make sure they're all in the water. And it looks cute even on your counter for the meantime. How darling. And what a nice way to be able to have an endless supply of basil. So there you have it. I'm going to set that on my counter. And in about 10 days I'm going to have some nice plants starting with they'll have a nice root base going on them, and then I will plant them. And you know what? When I do that, I'll come back and I'll show you. Thanks for watching.